Welcome dear learners, I am Mr. Abhijit. Welcome to my channel Chemistry Learners. In this lecture, we are going to see hydrogen gas as a fuel. In this lecture, we are going to learn different properties of hydrogen gas, in which we are going to see physical and chemical properties and then applications of hydrogen gas, and obviously it is as a fuel. So let us see one by one. So properties of hydrogen gas, as we have seen that there are different properties that are belongs to different elements and that can be classified into two types, that is physical and chemical properties. So hydrogen gas is also having some physical and some chemical properties. So what are the physical properties? Hydrogen is gas at room temperature. If you consider the diatomic hydrogen atom, that is H2, it is gas at room temperature. Then it is odorless, colorless, and tasteless gas. So if you consider the hydrogen atom, when it is joined to another carbon atom or any other element from the periodic table, it acts as a non-metallic compound. Then chemical properties. So it can exist in ionic and molecular form. If you consider the ionic form, there are three different types of ions: positive, negative, and third one not ion, that is radical. Positive hydrogen atom, that is called as a proton. Negatively charged hydrogen atom is called as hydride, and obviously hydrogen and one electron, unpaired electron, if it is there, then it is called as hydrogen radical. Then in molecular form, it is existing H2, that is diatomic hydrogen. So this H2 is gas at room temperature. Then lighter than air. This is the main property of this hydrogen atom. It is lighter than air. In, if you consider the 19th century, then at that time this hydrogen gas was used in balloons. But nowadays we are using helium for that purpose, because hydrogen is more explosive in nature. That's why for safety purpose we are using helium reducing agent. So this is the main chemical property, that hydrogen is acts as a reducing agent, because many organic reactions are there that can be takes place in presence of hydrogen along with some metal atom. But hydrogen plays an important role because of some double bond or triple bonded compounds are there, like in alkenes or alkynes. Then such type of double or triple bonded compounds are converted into single bond with the help of this hydrogenation reaction, that is H2 or addition of H2. Then it is non-toxic in nature, as hydrogen gas is more explosive in nature, but if you consider the toxicity, it is non-toxic gas. Then let us see the applications of hydrogen gas. Obviously, as a fuel, this hydrogen gas can be used in different vehicles, like in motor cars, then in different bus, such type of vehicles. In such type of vehicles, when you use this hydrogen gas, that is a clean fuel. In fuel cell, obviously as a phosphoric acid fuel cell, that is PAFC, this hydrogen is also used, or hydrogen fuel cell can be used in different vehicles. Then it is a good alternative for traditional fuels, that is petrol or diesel. Then it can be used in spacecraft propulsion. So as this is having high efficiency in different types of fuels, so this hydrogen gas can be used as fuel for spacecraft propulsion. Then other applications in which we are going to see, we have already shown that the reducing agent, because of this reducing property, addition of hydrogen is nothing but the reduction reaction. So this hydrogen can be used as a reducing agent in different chemical reactions. Then energy carrier. So if you consider the energy carrier, hydrogen is not an energy resource, but it is like electrical energy carrier. It is energy carrier. In different power plants, this hydrogen is used as a energy carrier. Then as a coolant, if you consider this property as a coolant, in thermal power plants or in different uh, power stations, as a coolant in generator is used, and such type of applications, if you see, for this particular hydrogen atom is due to its light weight and diatomic molecule. This includes the low density or low viscosity of this particular hydrogen molecule. Then in a welding, it can be used in welding different metals. Then as a lifting gas, because of having lowest density among than the air also, among all these different elements or different gases, this can be used as a lifting gas in balloon. So thank you.